Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. So just go to the Creo software, new. I'm going to model is a 3D model, part modeling. Untick this use default template, just click OK. We are going to model our geometry in mm. Then just choose mm solid, click OK. I'm going to model this into front plane. Just choose front plane, sketch view, just draw the center line, press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model. So here I'm going to create a rectangle, then I will remove this unwanted volumes. Go to, so this is 100, this is 80. Go to model, so symmetric, this height is 100, this width is 80. We just want to just go to fit screen, click OK. Now we just want to extrude this rectangle into 40. Go to extrude, the extrusion length is symmetric and 40. Now click OK to confirm. So this is we have done. Now go to the model. This rectangle I have created. Now I am going to remove this volume and this volume. Go to here, click the surface, go to sketch view, go to references, close. Now just go to rectangle and one more rectangle is here. Now just go to the model. So we just want to keep 12 mm, remaining we just want to remove it. Okay, the height we just want to remove is 40. Here we just want to keep 12 mm thickness of this, remaining you just want to remove. The length we just want to remove is 20 plus 20, 40. Similarly bottom also. Just go here, so dimension, this is we just want to keep as 12. Again this is also we just want to keep as 12. Okay, this height is 40 and this is also 40. This is we need not record this dimension, so automatically it will set. Just click OK. Now go to extrude, change the direction, just change this into 2 next, just click OK. Now again go to the model. Here and here I have removed, here I just want to remove. Then just go to the software, select the surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, just close, select this also reference, again go to rectangle, here we just want to make symmetric, just select this. The removal length is, just go to the model, we just want to remove 16 and height we just want to remove is 40. Again go to software, this is this is 40 this is 16. Now just click OK to confirm, then go to extrude, change the direction to next, click OK to confirm. So now we have model. Just go to the model again. Now we have done everything. Then we just want to model this round of radius 20. Go to software, choose round up. So this round tool, just click here. Now just select this edge. Then again press the control and select this edge also. This radius of this round is 20. Now we have created round for 20. Just click OK. Similarly, we just want to create round for all this also, all the edges. Just go to round, select this edge, select this, press Ctrl and select this edge. Again here just select this edge, select this edge, just rotate, press Ctrl and select this edge and select this edge. Now we have done. Just click OK to confirm. Just go to the model again. We have done everything. The remaining thing is we just want to make a hole of 16 mm diameter in all this parts. Just go to here, select the surface, sketch view, just go to take this reference as a circle, just close. Now we just want to create a hole here as a diameter of 16. Just select this circle. This diameter of the hole is 16. Just click OK, then go to extrude, just change the direction, click OK. Again select this surface, go to sketch view, reference, just close, go to circle, same, this whole diameter also 16. Just click OK to confirm. Now just go to extrude. Here just change the direction. We just want to remove both the part. Just through all. Just choose this through all. It will create a hole in both the part. Just click OK. Now we have done. Again we just want to make a hole here also. Just select the surface, sketch view, reference, take this circle as a reference. Again just select the circle, click here and press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter also 16. Just click OK to confirm. Now again extrusion, so material removal. So we have done. Just click OK to confirm. So everything we have done. Just go to the model. So part is completed, but we just want to make fillet here, round fillet here. So we just want to make a fillet. For that just go to the model, select the surface edge, go to round. So this dimension is they are not mentioned, so just give some appropriate value. So I'm just going to make 5. So this is reasonable. Just click OK to confirm. Similarly we just want to make here also. Select this edge, round 5, just OK. Again here also just select this edge and press Ctrl and select this edge also and click this round. Again just click OK to confirm. So just rotate the part and check if everything is done. So again go to the picture. So here we have done everything. So go to the model again. Now we have done. So just go to here, anti-call, standard orientation. So final product is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you found any easy method to draw the same component, please comment, and thank you.